John Mayetta with another CEORater quick take. We have another 300 plus billion coming down the pike, allocated by the SBA to support small business during this COVID pandemic. 20 million plus businesses in the United States, that's roughly $15,000 per small business, which in many cases will not be enough to save many small businesses. I wish we had taken a more strategic approach in terms of qualifying small businesses for these SBA loan allocations. We should have set out some well thought out standards so that when the loan was ultimately made to a business that qualified, we would have known that the probability of that business staying alive for X number of months would have been high. I realize that may have taken several weeks to set those standards, in that during that time period, a number of small businesses may have died, but I think that number would have been much smaller than the number of small businesses that are going to die and that have died, given this haphazard first come, first serve approach that we've taken to allocating capital. I mean, we don't even know how effective this first SBA tranche from a month ago has been. We haven't had enough time to measure. Banks haven't had enough time to fully process the loans that were extended by the SBA. So in some cases, companies haven't received the capital. In other cases, the companies have received the capital, but we don't know the outcome. And now we have Tranche 2 that's being rushed upon us because both parties want to get it done so that they can kick off the general election campaign. So this rush process, in the end, I believe, is going to kill more small businesses than would have been sacrificed had we taken a strategic approach. Not to mention that our haphazard approach to setting standards for loan applications is going to result in a significant dollar amount in terms of fraud. So my guess, we will have burned through billions of dollars in capital, maybe 5 billion, maybe 10 billion, I don't know what the number is, but there's absolutely billions of dollars worth of waste when you consider good money that's going to be thrown after bad, and when you take into consideration fraud. We could have done a much better job.